Customers visit our factory for on-site machine inspection today. On-site display of X-ray detectable gauze folding machine. Comes with stirring system at constant speed to guarantee uniform concentration. Auto feeding feeds gauze and X-ray thread synchronously with accurate feeding control. Ultrasonic fixation keeps thread tight without hurting gauze. Flat positioning complying with medical dressing standards. Constant speed dipping soaks fabric evenly to keep unified finished quality. Constant temperature drying features accurate temperature control, avoiding deformation, mildew and sticking. Auto folding with standard size and tidy edges. Full automatic production for high output. Reduces labor, improves efficiency, customizable machine. Inquire for specs, test videos and price. Welcome factory check.